Hey everybody, how's it going? I am going to do a quick product review, just to check something out. I don't normally do this, but I bought the Woolly Wormit Wheel Cleaner tool. So got it off of Amazon, and one of the things with it is you can actually bend it and it will hold in place. So I'll do that a little bit when I get in the car. But you can see, you can get around the spokes of the wheel. It's got a lug nut cleaner. So the reason I've been trying a bunch of different stuff. So I love these black wheels, but they are just a monster to keep clean, and I can't get my hand in here. So when I get my hand in like this one part way, but I can't get it in there, so it just makes it a little hard to get in there, clean the barrel, and make the car look nice. So we're going to give the Woolly Wormit a try and see how it works. So I've wetted down the wheel good, and so we're all set. Now, one thing I do like to do, I don't like to use harsh chemicals or stuff like that with on my wheels, especially the painted wheels, because it's just like anything else. So I just use my normal wash soap. Got a different bucket for that, and we'll get in here and see how this works. Now it says it's not a metal, there's no metal on it, so it's all plastic. So let's see. Well, this seems to be working out pretty well. I can get clear into the barrel. We'll see how it works on the rear tires. A little hard to get around the brake caliper, but that's to be expected. And then what I got to try to do is, we'll go ahead and just finish this up here real quick and see how it does. And then what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to see if I can fold this thing over a little bit, and the spokes a little bit. So just fold it like that. Oh yeah, this thing works pretty slick. I do like this. Alright, so this is obviously not a paid sponsorship, but just wanted to try it out and thought I'd see, because I have just struggled getting these wheels clean, and the lug nut cleaner down there works pretty well. And then the other nice piece with this is that this actually comes off, and you can take it and wash it, so, and put it back on. So this is kind of nice. So I'll do the rest of the wheels and we'll follow up. Okay, and here are the final results from the Woolly Wormit. And I'll tell you what, this thing was really pretty good. I enjoyed using it. Didn't bang up my knuckles any. This thing, you know, like I said, it's shape. You can shape it around so you can get behind the wheel spokes, get deep enough to get back in the barrels. Didn't bang up my hands. Really worked pretty well. I was pretty happy with it. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Just decided I would. I just got this in the mail, Amazon the other day. So I thought I'd just give it a shot and let you guys know how it was. So I'm pretty impressed with it, happy with it. I'll probably buy another one, and put a link in the description down there. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.